Hello, I saw your picture on Facebook, the one of camera. I like the white one. I just wonder what settings you use to get that picture.
What? Why do you want to know what the settings are? The settings aren't going to help you, man. Like you don't ask a chef at a restaurant, what ingredients he used because your meal was good. That doesn't tell you anything. You can use the same settings and you're going to get a totally different picture. There's way too many other elements.
But no, if I use same settings, I get same picture. You're not helping at all. I never mind. I should not have
Okay,
called
okay.
you.
So now you're mad. Okay. Whatever, man. All right, look. This video is going to be about the simple fact that when you see a picture that you like, there's absolutely no point in asking what settings were used on the camera in order to get that picture. There's so many elements that involve replicating that same picture. You'd have to take the exact same picture at the exact same location, in the exact same lighting, at the exact same time. Other than that, you're not going to get the same picture. So I'm going to show you some examples. And if this is your first time at my channel, I'm Kobe Mercury Clark. I've been a photographer for, wow, over 20 years now. This isn't a typical channel of just someone just bought a camera. I actually do know some stuff. So hopefully these videos help you out. But anyway, let's just get into the simple fact that don't ask for what settings were used to get the picture. That's only going to take you so far. If you're not at the exact same location, everything's going to be different and you're never going to replicate the same exact image. So I'm going to show you examples of that. Let's just get right to it.
Okay, so same subject, same settings, different lighting is the only thing that really changed, and slight differences in composition as well, just to show that asking for the settings on the camera is not going to get you the same picture that someone else has already taken. So here we have my wonderfully snow white snow trooper, whatever, stormtrooper, that's the word I'm looking for. Wow, it's been a long day. Stormtrooper white Pentax K30. And the settings are ISO 800, 1/20th of a second at f8. And so let's take a look at another shot. Same settings. Completely different. All I did was just change the lighting slightly. That's the only thing that's different. Just slightly different lighting. Totally different look of the image. Here you can kind of see the aperture, looks like the aperture blades on the inside of the lens here. Can't see any of that over here. Composition slightly different as well. Could be some of the shadowing just from the change in the lighting. Yeah, so I mean, it's totally different look on the image itself. And once again, same settings, just turn down the lighting a bit. And these are the differences that are going to impact your images. It's not just about the actual camera settings that were used. Why people get so hung up in just the camera settings themselves, I don't know. I really don't get it whatsoever. And here's a different composition. That makes a huge impact as well. Slightly different lighting, different composition in regards to how the look of the image actually comes out. Actually, let's change this one. Let's go here. Let's actually change this to... Okay, yeah, there we go. All right, so similar composition, change in lighting once again. Not going to get the same image. So as I was talking to myself at the beginning of this, these are the things that are going to make a difference. Like I said, if you're at a restaurant, you're talking to, you happen to be talking to the head chef because the meal was incredible, you're not going to ask just what ingredients did you throw in. There's so much more work involved to actually cook that whole recipe together to get the final image. The same thing with photography. Anyway, that's it for this one. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully it gives you an understanding as to it's not just about the camera settings that dictate whether or not you're going to get a decent image. So with that said, leave a like if you like the video. If you have not already, please do subscribe. Helps me out. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. If you'd like to support the channel, I'll leave that information at the bottom of the description. And that's it for this one. I guess I should just take off and shoot something. So I gotta go. You guys will see me on my next video. I'm out.